Hey everybody, here is my yellow half and half blowout, and I just think it is so cool, so much fun. I love the yellow side, um, and in fact, that yellow side has inspired me to do another yellow painting today. But today I am using the Arteza pouring medium, Arteza pouring acrylics, which are the pre-mixed there they are, the pre-mixed acrylics. And every time I've used them, the colors have stayed separate and bright and vivid and amazing. They're way, way, way cool. And so I'm going to do yellow negative space. And I'm super excited to try this out to see how it works. And this canvas will be cut for, well, at least the top, it's torn up. It's a busted canvas. So I don't even need to get the sides because I will probably be cutting it out and doing something with it. But because the canvas is torn, but I have some new frames and I just cut out some MDF, some wood for them. So this might be something that could possibly go in that. So let's start with lemon yellow. Whoa! Let's just squirt that everywhere. So as I said, I'm not too concerned with the sides, which makes it really kind of easy. Ooh, such a pretty yellow. I'm just super curious to see, there's still some in there, to see what happens when I add the other colors. Because when I've done it with other background colors, they stay super bright. But yellow can turn colors kind of funky, so I'm very interested to see what happens. So kind of a experiment. I've got neon purple. I have ultramarine blue, which actually that's an unopened one. I've gotten both of the ultramarines out because first I was going to do a blue background, but then I realized I did a blue background like a week or so ago, so I didn't want to do another one. And I do have white. I'm going to put a little bit of white in there. Maybe. Why is this not coming out? That is really weird. It's been opened, but who knows? I don't know how I ever got the paint out of it. That was really weird. That like little cardboard thing was still on it. Quick swirl about with that. This is actually really pretty. I know I sound surprised, but when you think yellow negative space, shocking is more what you envision, not really pretty. See, these colors are amazing. I think if I had done, well, you saw the others, they turned dark. From that one I just showed you. These colors somehow stay separate. It's like they're magic. And there is an Arteza link in the video description where you can go to get them. I believe they're also on my Amazon link. But if you use the Arteza link, there's a coupon. Check out the pink cells that's going on, like right here. Tilting it down. I'm going to give it a bigger tilt. Hang on. Give a real big tilt. There we go. Just to get it moving. Ooh, check that out. That's interesting. I wonder if there's more where that came from. You know, I really do like this. I may end up painting the rest of the sides the yellow. And, oh, it really is torn though. If it was this way, if that was the bottom, you wouldn't even know it was torn, but I know it's torn. I think I am finished. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. But this would also be really cool in my collages. The colors are just to die for. I'm telling you, these paints are just an amazement. They're just so cool. And no mud. I don't know how they do it. I'm telling you, it's got to be magic. So thank you so much for watching. And you'll see a subscribe button pop up at the end. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did so. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.